In the maelstrom of technological innovation, foldable phones have emerged as a revolution, reshaping the boundaries of smartphone design and functionality. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of foldable phones, spotlighting two behemoths of this realm, the OnePlus Open and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The OnePlus Open, a newcomer in the foldable phone market, takes a swing at the giant Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 5. Both devices boast the innovative book-style foldable design, yet they are as different as night and day in their unique ways. The OnePlus Open, flaunting a slightly wider cover screen, brings to the table a slim, sleek form factor. It prides itself on a stunning 6.3-inch external screen, buzzing at a 120 Hz refresh rate and peaking at an intense brightness of 2800 nits. The crease, a common concern with foldable phones, is almost invisible, a testament to OnePlus's attention to detail. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, with a 6.2-inch cover screen, offers a large immersive main display, reinforcing Samsung's established reputation. In the high-stakes game of performance, both phones come equipped with powerful hardware. Yet, the OnePlus Open takes the lead with a higher RAM capacity, promising a smoother, faster user experience. When it comes to the camera system, the OnePlus Open shines with a versatile system enhanced by Hasselblad, akin to having a professional camera right in your pocket. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, not one to be left behind, provides a reliable camera system with commendable low-light performance and an under-display camera reminiscent of a night owl with sharp, keen eyes. To summarize, the OnePlus Open excels in display quality and performance, much like a racehorse leading the pack. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, however, offers an immersive main display and improved design, akin to a luxurious cruise ship that has mastered the art of sailing. In the end, the choice between these two hinges on individual priorities. Whether you value a top-tier display and performance or a large immersive main display with a refined design, these foldable phones offer something unique for everyone. The foldable phone revolution is here, and it's fascinating. The OnePlus Open and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 are paving the way, each with their own compelling features, performance and design. The future of smartphones is unfolding right before our eyes, and it's nothing short of spectacular. In the grand scheme of things, it's not about which phone is better. It's about how these innovative devices are pushing the envelope, challenging the status quo, and redefining what we thought was possible in a smartphone. The OnePlus Open and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 are not just phones, they are harbingers of the future. And what a thrilling future it promises to be.